It's not recommended to run Windows without a firewall enabled, but if you need to run, here you can turn off the Windows firewall. Open Control Panel. Go to System and Security option. Then click Windows Firewall option. Now click Turn Windows Firewall on or off. You have different option. For private network and public networks, in case you want to only disable it when on a private home network. Then click OK. Same process to turn on Windows Firewall. Follow the process.